Hello, hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day 5 of our Muffin Top Toning Challenge. All right, we are halfway through. Congratulations. So let's get right into it. First, gonna start with a quick little demo, show you what we're doing today, and then get straight to the workout, all right? Exercise 1, we have toe taps or fast feet. All right, so come to the edge of your seat, you go up on the balls of your feet, and then you go quick. Tap, tap, tap as much as you can. So you're using your muscles, your core muscles, to balance and to move quickly. All right, if you need to hold on to here on your chair, down here, wherever, go ahead, but try to balance. It'll make it a little bit harder. All right, next we have a bicycle twist. That's what I like to call it. All right, so you're gonna actually straighten your feet, straighten your legs, heels on the floor, toes up in the air, hands behind your head, and elbow goes to your knees. So you're gonna bend and then straighten again, and then bend and twist. All right, just being in this position, I'm feeling my core working to help me balance and sit upright. Nice straight spine, all right? Then just bending your knee, feeling it even more. Then twisting towards it, boom. Really gonna feel it. If you wanna challenge yourself even more, you can do a bicycle crunch, all right? But that's where both feet are lifted up and you're switching, all right? So a bunch of different variations there for you. Next is a prisoner oblique crunch, hands behind your head, and we're going side to side. All right, elbows towards the floor with a nice straight back. Last but not least, jumping jacks. But we're sitting down. Really fun, okay? Edge of your seat, everything's together, feet together, hands down, and then open together. All right, hands go up, feet go out to the side, and back in. All right, these are our seated jumping jacks, all right? And you are gonna naturally bend back a little bit. Just make sure you have a nice straight back, and that's what's gonna work your core, as well as moving both your hands and feet at the same time. There we go, let's get into it. First set, starting with our toe taps. Let's get it. Nice strong core, suck in that tummy. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Straight legs, toes up in the air. Bicycle twist, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, and feet back to the ground. Prisoner oblique crunches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, release. Very good. Finishing strong with our jumping jacks. Let's get it. Tuck in that tummy, nice strong core, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, together, shake it out and celebrate. Set 1, done. Big breath. Right into set 2, starting with our toe taps. Nice strong core, suck in that tummy. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Straight legs, toes up in the air. Bicycle twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together and feet back to the ground. Prisoner oblique crunches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, release. Very good. Finishing strong with our jumping jacks. Let's get it. Tuck in that tummy, nice strong core, breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Together, shake it out. And already 2 sets done and dusted, but we're not finished yet. 1 more set to go, big breath. Starting with our toe taps, let's get it. Nice strong core, suck in that tummy. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Straight legs, toes up in the air. Bicycle twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together and feet back to the ground. Prisoner oblique crunches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, release. Very good. Finishing strong with our jumping jacks. Let's get it. Lock in that tummy, nice strong core, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, together, shake it out. And there we have it, 3 sets of our day 5 Muffin Top Toning Challenge. I hope you loved it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Which move was your favorite? What other challenges would you like to see? And how excited are you for day 6 tomorrow with Coach Greg? See you there.